Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, November 28, 2023. It is 6:40 and 44 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, hydrogen. So let's hop to it here. As hydrogen detected in lunar samples points to resource availability for space exploration, date November 21st, 2023. Source: Naval Research Laboratory. Researchers have discovered solar wind hydrogen in lunar samples, which indicates that water on the surface of the moon may provide a vital resource for future lunar bases and longer-range space exploration. The scientific investigators and researchers continue to study lunar surface and asteroid samples to gain understanding of how surfaces interact with the space environment, which is known as space weathering. Previous testing from additional Apollo samples confirmed location of solar wind, helium, and lunar soil grains. As this is the first time scientists have demonstrated detection of hydrogen-bearing species within vessels and lunar samples, as previously, the same team at NRL used state-of-the-art techniques such as scanning transmission, electron microscopy, and electron energy loss spectroscopy to detect helium in lunar samples, and other researchers have found water in other planetary samples, but this is the first publication to show hydrogen in situ in lunar samples. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Astronomy, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.